Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to set default wallpaper on your iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max, or any other iPhone. To do this, you go into your iPhone settings and look for the item Home Screen. If you have iOS 17, you will already have the item Wallpaper. You unlock this item. Click Add New Wallpaper, and here you choose the wallpaper that you like. There's a large selection from the list of standard wallpapers. Different categories, for example, the most standard or exotic. For example, you choose the most classic and can change their color. In order to change the color, you just swipe and change the shades. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.